Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Maggie here, and I'm gonna talk to you guys all about our Supercolor transfers. What is a Supercolor transfer? A Supercolor transfer is the highest quality screen print DTF transfer on the market. What makes a Supercolor transfer different than a DTF transfer is its white screen printed backing that's gonna provide a great base for all of your colors to pop. It can rebound without cracking, and has a 7-color process that can match so many colors in your artwork with ease, and it's super fast, super easy, and it's gonna be perfect every single time. They have 5 different types, starting with Wearables, our blocker, soft shell, promotional, and our headwear. Our Wearables is gonna be the most popular transfer we offer. It can go on tons of different garments. You're gonna have sweatshirts, uniforms, some athleisure wear. We've pressed a cotton t-shirt today. So as you guys can see, so I have the transfer sheet here, which is actually an example of a gang sheet. So you guys can put whatever you want on it. It's so cool. So I have tons of different projects on here. And the best part about Supercolor is you're not paying by the color. It's just whatever you can fit on this sheet, you can get. Next up is our blocker transfer. The blocker transfer is gonna be super unique and super helpful if you guys are into doing anything with polyester, especially darks, or even ones that have those patterns on it. And what's really unique is it's black backing, and that's gonna block any of that polyester coming through to your transfer. If you guys have ever pressed a transfer and all of a sudden your white's no longer white, if you press it on red, they start to look pink, it didn't have a blocking agent in it. This does. So you never have to worry about a polyester garment ruining your transfer. Similar to our blocker transfer is our soft shell transfer. You'll notice on the surface level, they look the same. I'll show you. They have a black backing, but what's different about it is once it's pressed, it has a different finish that's gonna be weather resistant, water repellent, that's made to last. Being versatile is something Supercolor really prides themselves on, and with their promotional transfer, it really gives them the ability to flex and apply to so many different types of items. It's really found its footing in backpacks, bags, and anything else that's really not gonna be put through the laundry. Because of its low temp application, it's perfect for so many different garments. Last is the Headwear Transfer. The Headwear Transfer is perfect to add to anybody's arsenal. It's gonna open up so much more business, and what's so cool about the Headwear Transfer is it's specifically made to bridge those gaps and those seams, giving you a perfect application on every hat. Thank you guys so much for joining me today and finding out what is a Supercolor. If you're curious on how to press a Supercolor, we'll make sure to have that video linked down below for you. For tons more content that you never wanna miss, make sure you are subscribed to our channel, give this video a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, guys.